So, how's it going, guys? Billy Bandu. Today, I say it, but I mean it. I'm in the building. Really, I'm in the building. But yeah, anyway, today I picked up this ACTIONCAM Akaso Brave 4 Pro, and I'm just going to be doing an unboxing, telling you guys what it comes with, what it feels like, and what the materials are like. Does it feel like it's going to stand up to the job that we'll be doing it for? I did want to go for, obviously, a GoPro, but kind of thinking it over again, I thought maybe it's not, I don't need a GoPro for what I'm going to be doing. I'm not doing no surfing, any skydiving or any kind of, even though we do a bit of bike riding, it's not really intense. It's more for when we're on the go, got the rifles, doing a bit of fishing, doing a bit of bushcraft, and you know, our hands have always got something in it, so it just becomes a bit of a ball ache to have to lug around a camera or a phone and use that. So I bought this Brave 4 Pro, and there were other options. They had cheaper options, but once you took into consideration the fact that you got £15 off, this one worked out a good deal. So I got it for £75. It was originally £90. It's got a dual screen function, so it's got the screen on the back and the screen on the front, so you can use it in selfie mode. So I'll open it up for you guys now to see what it comes with. Box is secure. Bear with me, guys. Okay, first off, you could have put an adhesive all on the flaps is a bit silly in my opinion, but I suppose it is what it is. I don't like destroying boxes, you see. I've got a thing with packaging, I like to keep it intact, and like this just straight away it's destroyed. But yeah, anyway, let's get to it. So that's the little handle part of the top. So yeah, so everything basically comes in this. This is the ACTIONCAM at the top. So open this box in here. So it does tell us on the back here all the things that it comes with. So you get, first it comes with this activate your 24-month free warranty. So you get some kind of obviously personalised customer care, up to 50% off exclusive coupon for next purchase. So yeah, I'll be doing that a bit later on today, because it says register end time 7 days after your delivery date. So yeah, I need to do that. Quick start guide. Yeah, very quick start guide. It's short, a few pages. Then we've got strap. Obviously this is like a spanner kind of tool, so we'll use that to make any kind of little adjustment. See what else we've got. Oh, so we've got the helmet mount, or the clip. This is one of the clips anyway. And I think this is one of the mounts. Another mount. So you've got, it comes with a load of mounts. I'll take all this stuff out and I'll go through it after. USB charging cable. Another mount or clip. Yeah, more accessories. Get it all out. So it comes with a lot of accessories. Handlebar mounts. We've got some other type of strap. Yeah, this is a casing unit, the waterproof case, battery, remote control, because this can be used, you put it on your wrist and just press record when you're ready to record. That's what I thought was really good about this, because we're going to be on the go and I don't want to have to be, reaching for the button every time. So yeah, that will be very handy. Battery, and then some type of clips. So, and then this is the unit. Let me show you the unit and I'll clip this up after. So it's in the waterproof housing, obviously now. So in this box, it comes with action camera, a waterproof case, remote control, battery charger, battery, a mount, helmet mount, clip 2, handlebar mount, zip tie, a strap, a USB cable, protective back door, and obviously a quick start guide. This is on very tight. So it comes with a lot of stuff, to be honest with you. It comes with a lot of stuff. This click is like something for dear life. This. Yeah. But that's fitted on really secure. Let's get this off and I'll show you guys exactly what this looks like. So yeah, it comes with a nice set of accessories. There's also an app that you can download to connect to. I'm supposing to transfer all the stuff over. But yeah, and then you can put an SD card in there. And I know it's touch screen. It's got image stabilization, 20 megapixel camera. Let me see if I can get some more stuff. See if there's anything in here. No. 4K 30 frames per second video, 20 megapixel photo, image stabilization and dual color screen, splash proof remote, and yeah, they've got the Akaso Go app, so you download that to your phone, and then obviously you can put all the transfer all your bits and pieces over, but I'll probably be putting the SD card in and whatnot. So here's the unit. So I had to get the grey because the black wasn't available. So it's got a rubber feel, really light, and then this is the waterproof housing for it. So I'll be doing, obviously this is just an unboxing to show you all the pieces you get with it. As you can see, there's a lot of different pieces, so I'm not really gonna need, you know, a lot of these, but I'll put them in my bag to store them. The main one I'm going to be using is the clip on my hat or the clip on my jacket. I think that's the main mount that I'll be using, or clip. But as I said, yeah, I'll get out into the field and I'll show you guys some examples of what it looks like, do a couple tests, and then we'll see how we go from there. But yeah, this is the Akaso Brave 4 Pro. It's currently on Amazon for £90, but there is a £15 voucher offer. So yeah, and I'll drop the link in the description section. But yeah, it's pretty neat, and I'm gonna say I'm happy with it, but I haven't tried it out yet. But we'll see, and hopefully it does the trick. All right, so see you guys soon.